Hi, this is Pierre Delacote working at Planet Technologies. Thank you for watching this video. Leveraging SharePoint in Teams. So, you remember in files, you store your documents. But if you want more leverage, you can open your files in SharePoint. So let me show you how you do that. So you open in SharePoint, and I will only show you a few things here. First, you need to understand that we're in a channel, but actually all the channels except for the private channels that are a different SharePoint site, but all the public channel in the Teams are folders. So all the files that you see in a channel are in a folder. So here are the files, the folder that were in my team. So you see, here are the folder, same structure here. So what can I do here? So I can do everything I can do in SharePoint. So if you know SharePoint, you can find a lot of tools, like you can use Power Apps. You might want to trigger a flow. For example, I just give you an idea. When we work on a project, maybe we want to have a folder with the documents that are in a working progress, and you might want to change the status of the document to be reviewed, and then you can move the document to another document library automatically with a flow. That's one example. But here I wanted to show you really simple thing. Two simple things. The first one is that's where you can have access to recycle bin. So if somebody deleted a document, then you can go in the recycle bin. You don't have much of time, you have 30 days. Or it depends on how you set it up, but that's where you're going. You're going in a recycle bin, and then you can recycle what you want to recycle. So that's really handy. The second thing, imagine you're waiting for a document. You can see that there's a lot of folder here because we're several people working on the project. So we organized the documents in several folders for several streams actually. And if I'm waiting for an important document, or if I want to know what are the new documents, how could I do that? If the person who's going to publish it in the Teams forget about notifying everybody, that's not good. But if it happens, then you just have to go in the Alert Me, which is a native SharePoint feature, and you can say send me an email for, and you have all the triggers here. So you can say send me a weekly email these days. So let's say I'm gonna want a weekly email on Friday afternoon with not all the channels, but only the new items that are added, and done. And then I have now I have an alert. You can see I received an email saying this alert. I can show you the email. So now I have an alert which is set on my SharePoint folders in the Teams environment. So leverage SharePoint because it's more powerful than Teams, for especially around documents, and that might help you. So if you just know Teams, that may feel a little bit advanced feature, but once you will be mastering Teams, you will find that handy. Hope it was helpful.